students. Today we will discuss about playing with numbers. Last class we discussed about divisibility rules, right? Yes, today we will discuss about factors. What are factors? Factors is nothing but a number which divides the other number exactly is called a factor. What is factor? A number which divides the other number exactly is called a factor. Okay. So, for example, for 12, what are the factors? You write all the numbers in which table you will get 12. 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4, next 4 into 3, already we wrote. In 5 table you won't get. In 6 table 12. Okay, so what are the factors of 12? From here you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. These are the factors for 12. Okay, next example for 18. In which table you will get 18? 1 into 18, 2 9s are 18, 3 6 are 18. In 4 table will you get 18? No. So what are the factors of 18? 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Okay, students. Next, I'll explain you prime numbers. Prime numbers. What are prime numbers? Okay. The numbers which have only two factors, that is 1 and itself. Prime numbers means what? The numbers which have only two factors, that is 1 and itself. See here 5. Write the factors 5 ma. 1 into 5, 5 into 1. Okay, so what are the factors of 5? 1 and 5. What is the definition of prime number? The number which have only two factors, that is 1 and itself. 1 is a factor, itself 5 is a factor. Therefore 5 is a prime number. Examples of prime numbers: 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, so on. These are the examples of prime numbers. Okay. Now we will see composite numbers. Composite numbers. Composite numbers means which have more than two factors. Which have more than two factors. Okay. For example, 4, 6, 8, 9, so on. These are called what? Composite numbers. One note. See here, in composite number 4, 6, 8, 9. In prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7. 1 is not there in both. So 1 is neither a prime nor a composite. Neither prime nor composite. Okay, students. Next, I'll explain you co-prime. What is co-prime? So the numbers which have only 1 as the common factor, which have 1 as a common factor, are called co-primes. Simply we can say that prime numbers, we can say only 2 primes are co-primes, but all the co-primes need not be primes. See, what is this? The number which have only 1 as a common factor. We'll take 2 and 3. We'll check whether they are co-primes or not. For 2, what are the factors? 1 comma 2. For 3, what are the prime numbers factors? 1 comma 3. So in this both, which is common? 1 is common. Therefore 2, 3 is called co-prime. Okay, next 4 comma 7. Factors of 4: 1 comma 2 comma 4. 7, 1 comma 7. Both are having 1 as a common factor. Okay. So 4 and 7 are also co-prime. Next, twin primes. Next one is twin prime. Twin prime is nothing but for only the prime numbers they differ by 2. Means only you have to take prime numbers and they should be having a difference of 2, are called what? Twin primes. Here I am specifying prime numbers. In co-prime I didn't mention anywhere co-prime. Any number you can take. Whereas in twin prime you have to take only the prime numbers. Like 3, 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay. 7, 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. So 3, 5 is twin prime. 7, 5 is also twin prime. Okay students, I think you understood this one. In the next class we'll discuss about problems based on this. Okay, thank you students.